Welcome to Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Now we know that people have short-term memory. Even the worst mass shooting in Jamaican history already forgotten. It's about Clarendon. But me tell them the same name them. Same people them a war. They hear about the blackers and hear about the beanie them. Right. They hear about the Tuffy them. Today I give you an instance where once again the people who rain down death and destruction carry out grave acts and it's not dealt with properly, and then them end up turning it up a notch. The same Tuffy, the quote-unquote Rasta, me ask them which God, me have to ask them which Ras. He was responsible for a murder that took place in 2020. And what the murders them involved in about. One happened in 2020, December. From this, so the authorities them should make sure him and him organization can't fire one more shot. It look like them get more shot for fire. Them even more destructive now. Especially considering say Tuffy is in quote unquote remand. That's supposed to stop man. In a remand that make man get even wickeder. Because now him safer. Behind bars him can do what him want do. And him still can call and give out all the orders him want, just like when him down road. Now we talk about the murder of Ashy Coleman and Delroy Bailey aka Bapi. How them killed the man and the woman a long time Tuffy them under this. Before me go into that, I have two Patreon birthday shoutout. Yesterday was Mr. Ramick birthday. Mr. Ramick I tell me say him give thanks say him reach 24. And you might laugh and say but 24 the normal age. Me must say life come and go in an instant. One time people say give thanks me live to see 50. Give thanks me live to see 60. Right now man I say they give thanks me live to see 24. So you know say things spooky. Mr. Ramick, hope you had a great day. Big up yourself and thanks to the support as usual. See you. Next up we have Malaya. Turned 3 years old. This one is coming from our father Malik. Malik, make sure you have the speaker side there right now, you know. Malaya, you listening? Malaya just know say daddy love you with all him heart. And I'm gonna do everything he can to make sure say you navigate this spooky thing I will call life as best as possible. So big up Malik and big up Malaya. We can move into the video now. So Ashy and Bapi. Tuffy them killed them in December 2020. Same man who would end up play a role and make enough people dead in the Clarendon massacre. You hear about White Knight in a prison? Mom do a video upon him. White Knight. Same one who killed medic. So in White Knight I fight enough for him war them back in the day. It was Tuffy who carried out the killing. Right. Tuffy and him motley crew of 87s them. Whole heap of destruction them rain down. So when you hear me say Tuffy kill, sometimes you know physically dead, but him give the orders and things like that. I'm assuming you know how them things are work now. I know baby me a talk to, I know Malaya me a talk to. Just like when you hear a C4 say black man kill so and so. Black man never turn up on the scene and fight the shot at himself. All the time. Sometimes he did. Like in the JUTC boss case when boss Douglas Chambers. Ashy and Bapi. Tragic story. Children end up turn orphans. That Clarendon massacre is already forgotten about. I tell you about Snowman already. Played a major part tonight. But Snowman is not exactly a shot caller when it comes on to certain things. The people who have the money and the people who can, send the hit and make the order happen, and Tuffy are one of them. Ras Copeland. Quote unquote Rasta It's a Rasta here, very destructive. So Bar P was a big chef, well known in the area. We have a next man named Mark. Mark and Tuffy were close. Mark was deeply mixed up in the acidity. Him and Tuffy. Everybody knew that except, well, maybe Mark, family and friends, I'm going to tell you, say, you know, as usual, I'm a good youth and I like look at you, but I tell you, I try to look at hype and show him bad mind him for the demand or something like that. But Mark was known in the streets. Mark had enough enemies because, as I said, him and Tuffy them. Especially them time there. Anytime White Knight one on done in the streets, enough time at them Monday. He put out the request too. So Mark and a youth a walk home one day. Bar P see them. Man and man know man. And Bar P was very popular. In every community, you know, you have them man that are big chef. At evening time, you can get your food cook over your son. So, all go on, man, ill man and man start work together. Remember say Mark, known in the streets as a youth deeply mixed up in the badness. I'm a walk on the road like normal. By this point, remember say them thing, quote unquote, turn up now. I guess he thought he was invincible. Enemies them spot him. Call Mick. You see, Bar P think him just a walk down him yard. What he never knows that that decision for walk with Mark that day would end up costing him life. I'm telling you, enough time when you see man from the area when you see them are KlLLED and 87 and you did it as a man I tell yourself, so well everybody knows how me are the chef round here, so everybody knows how me are the carpenter, everybody knows how me are the mason man, everybody knows how me fix this and you bring your pipes. Nobody now trouble me. Better on walk far from some of them people here. In the process of the man them a walk back, Mark go get spotted by his enemies. They couldn't believe how lucky them get. He just a walk on the road, so call Mick instantly. Everybody know which part him a go. They know the direction him a head towards, so then just fuss him. You know how certain community go. When you see people a walk down the road here, I go the direction there, then around so them a go. It's not like the middle of Spanish Town where you can take 1,000 turn. It's not like the middle of downtown or Arthurtree, rural area man no. People know say if you walk down the road there, then a down so you go. When time they reach a Bar P little spot, I remember them see Bar P, I walk with Mark. The man them put 2 and 2 together. One man run out. The shot start fire upon Mark. Man them kill him. So Bar P and the next youth who walk with Mark take with themselves and Mark dead because of Mark the man they come to kill. 87s being as dumb as they are, suddenly couldn't understand how anybody know which part Mark they fi kill him. When the man just a walk on the road. I walk on the road, I walk past so much people and these dummies were so confused as to how nobody know say Mark in a place. When I walk on the road. Them start questioning people, who did it? Bar P did it. And I near to out of Bar P places so then go buck up one way and kill him. So that means say, I the one Bar P set him up. That was the conclusion Tuffy them come to. A Bar P set him up because him and the man did a walk. But in their desperation to try and figure out something where them little bird brain couldn't process, which was that Mark a walk on the road so much hundreds of people him walk past plus drive past and see him, I could have anybody call and make them know say yo Mark in a place. It's not astrophysics. So Bar P start come under pressure, take away himself a little bit, but you know, eventually him start miss home. Forward back in the place. Plus, Tuffy them start give him the impression say all is well. Him let him guard down, unfortunately. December 2020. Man the usual thing, food a cook. Man from the gang all go get food from him. The same night. Done cook now and gone home, bathe, and a chill out. Here comes 87 them. To how Bar P get comfortable, him left all the window open. Wide open and I see him window the man them go. First then start by pushing their hand through the window because you know you have the room in there and you have the bed here and you have the man then go down, couldn't believe them look, window wide open. push through and start go through window. Be shot start fire upon Bar P. His family was also there. So Ashy, Bar P woman. When the man him start shot up Bar P, Ashy jump up. The man him start full up Ashy a shot. Non-stop firing. When the smoke clear, Ashy and Bar P were found in death as they were in life, huddled up on top of each other. You would think of some kind of Hollywood movie where you see people are fire shot and somebody go in front of the gunman them, and then they start fire up the shot them and shot all the fly through the person or shot the next somebody behind them. That's what happened in real life. The two of them dead on top of each other. Them take them last breath on top of each other. The three pitting them traumatized forever, as you can imagine. Later on the man go discover say Bar P never nothing to do with it because then eventually 87 start talk. And man start realize, oh that be gone. Bar P never had nothing to do with it. It was a simple case of Mark a walk on the road, the man them see Mark and make the call. Which direction him a go? Oh, don't know say him a go, alright, then there's only a few places he can stop. Or a few places he a go walk past. So go here, so go wait for him. It was an easy kill. He never required a Bar P for run a program. Enough people walk past on the road. Call could have come from anywhere. Tuffy end up behind bars. I say, what about people them kill? What about time then say they might finally get him off of the street, pick up all kind of charges, but Tuffy is currently behind bars. But it made no difference. Him there in a jail and live same like how him down the road. Can put out all the hits him want. And when time somebody wants certain killings, then can link him to get it done. Remember me telling you say White Knight used to use Tuffy for carry out enough killings? At the same way, people like Beanie and them you there can still link Tuffy to get certain killings done. Even though they're behind bars. Me say the prison boss them, where they said they might try them best and everybody a point fingers. Are your fault? No, are your fault? No, are you? Come like Pitney. Between correction services, police, government, everybody come like Pitney. Are you? No, are you? Stop pine for me now. Are you? Everybody's a pine finger. Your fault. No, your fault. Me gotta tell my mother stop it now. Stop pine for me now. So them a go on. Cause they can't figure out how to stop a couple ragtag 87s. Right. From sending out hits from behind bars. They're not even a deal with no high. If they were dealing with Cosa Nostra, me don't understand. If they were dealing with organizations as wealthy and powerful as the Sinaloa cartel, me don't understand. If them like deal with the Warriors cartel, me don't understand. If them like deal with some Colombian drug lords, me don't understand. The man them want outsmart them. It's just embarrassing. We're not talking about no highly sophisticated gangsters. Their methods, them are using to beat the system, primitive. But people in the system are play a big role. You already know, say you have your favorite water, them who make sure so the man didn't get them phone them on regular this and that. That same Tuffy will go on go play a major role in our go on and clear them. The mass shooting. Because just like in the old days, I just like now, people want somebody there then can link Tuffy and him deal with it. And earlier I mentioned White Knight. As I said, the same White Knight will kill Medic. I don't know how much people know this. I don't know if Medic's family is listening, but that White Knight will kill Medic. He is currently in a situation that he probably wish I him be dead instead of Medic because let's just say he's not doing well. A tubes are come out of his belly. You know what Jamaicans call piss bag? A death of him thing there. Might have to do a separate video on that. Tubes are come out of his belly. Be a ball in a prison. Very interesting. Enough man who used to take talk from him not take the talk again. Cause him claim say any minute now him a go drop out. But we will see. Spooky times ahead. But as usual, are the same name them. Them don't squash the problem. When it's easy to squash, then wait till you get catastrophic, then jump on your TV screen and tell us that them have 25 million for give man for information. Information for what? Charge, man. What is a charge? And all if you go prison. And all if you go jail, go run your man for a little bit. What that I go do? When the corrections act weak, when the prison's weak, when the prison's leaking, as Tuffy demonstrates, as White Knight demonstrate, one phone call a man dead same way. This is why I'm telling you, so there will be gang retaliation for what happened in Clarendon. Telling people, say, we've arrested a number of individuals who took part and are responsible for this, and Snowman get wall up and all. That is no comfort to nobody, because people know some man boss case same way. And all if man go jail, you still live like normal, and some people want blood. For what happened in Clarendon, but we will see. Anyway, Patreon Squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Vulture Squad, stay circling. Bless.